Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread for business. First, understand local food regulations and secure any required permits for your home kitchen. Next, perfect your banana bread recipe, ensuring it stands out with premium ingredients and a consistent, delicious taste. Finally, meticulously calculate all ingredient costs to set a competitive yet profitable price for each loaf you sell. This foundational work is crucial for a successful start. Once your recipe is perfected, focus on optimizing your baking process. Consider baking in larger batches or utilizing multiple ovens to increase efficiency and meet demand. Next, select high-quality, food-safe packaging that not only protects your banana bread, but also makes it visually appealing to customers. Remember to clearly label every product with a full ingredient list, potential allergens, and your business contact details for transparency and compliance. Now, let's talk about getting your delicious banana bread into customers' hands. Start by crafting a strong brand identity, including a memorable name and an appealing logo that reflects your business. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your mouth-watering products and actively engage with your audience. Don't forget to explore local farmers markets, craft fairs, and various online platforms to expand your sales reach and connect with new customers. As your business grows, actively seek customer feedback to continuously refine your recipes and enhance your operational efficiency. Think about expanding your product line by introducing exciting new flavors or complementary baked goods to attract a wider audience. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. This strategic growth will help you build a sustainable and thriving banana bread business for the long term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.